Samsung is reportedly preparing a massive upgrade for the upcoming Galaxy A57, and fresh leaks suggest it could debut with premium features normally reserved for its top tier lineup. The biggest surprise? Samsung's advanced privacy display technology, originally introduced with the Galaxy S26 series, may now make its way to the Galaxy A57. This intelligent privacy screen is designed to protect your personal data in public places like buses, cafes, offices, and other crowded environments. Using smart pixel level adjustments, the display significantly restricts side angle visibility. Anyone sitting next to you would see a dimmed or distorted screen, while you continue to enjoy a perfectly clear and sharp view straight on. If Samsung truly brings this feature to the Galaxy A57, it would introduce flagship grade privacy protection to the mid range segment, something rarely seen at this price point. On the software side, the Galaxy A57 has reportedly been spotted running a One UI 8.5 test build, signaling that a major upgrade is already in development. The upcoming update is expected to deliver smoother overall performance, quicker app launches, enhanced touch response, more fluid animations, stronger privacy and security enhancements, improved multitasking stability, and a refreshed, modern interface design that feels more polished and refined. In addition, the device has surfaced on multiple certification platforms, including MDA, BIS, 10A, and Bluetooth SIG. These listings confirm essential features such as 5G connectivity, NFC support, Wi-Fi capabilities, and Bluetooth compatibility. While certifications do not reveal complete hardware details, they strongly indicate that the Galaxy A57 is progressing steadily toward its official launch. With high-end privacy technology rumored and several certifications already cleared, the hype around the Galaxy A57 is building rapidly. This could easily become one of Samsung's most exciting mid-range releases yet. If you don't want to miss the latest Galaxy leaks, exclusive updates, and hidden features before anyone else, hit that like button, subscribe right now, and stay tuned, because the next big Samsung surprise could drop any moment.